I'm Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome you all for online 1 week interdisciplinary certificate course in Basics of Organic Farming conducted by IQSC and Department of Botany, Artley Sapri College, Devruk.
Dear friends, in this video we will study organic manures in detail, where we will see the sources of organic manures as well as the effects of organic manures, nutrients which are provided by organic manures, as well as lastly we will study how to prepare farm-made manure. Organic manure is derived from plant and animal waste used as a source of nutrients to plants. It is a natural form of fertilizer and is cost effective. The major sources of manures are crop waste. It includes different plant residues as well as sugarcane trash, stubbles and other related material. Then cattle shed waste. It includes dung, urine and slurry from the biogas plants. Then poultry litter, droppings of sheep as well as the goat. Human habitation waste such as night soil, human urine, town refuse, sewage, sludge. Another major source for the manure is byproduct of agro industries such as oil cakes, bagasse, press mud, fruit and vegetable processing waste, etc. The waste material from the slaughterhouses such as bone meal, meat meal, blood meal, horn hoof meal, fish waste, they are also used for the preparation of organic manures. Apart from that, green manures crops and leaf manuring material can be used as a source of manure. Then some of the weeds such as the water hyacinth and other weeds, they are also used for the preparation of organic manures. Dear friends, now we will study the effects of organic manures. Organic manures improve structure and texture of the soil. They provide nutrients, improve soil properties, increase soil fertility. They are cost effective, increase biological activity, reduces soil erosion, and organic manures lower water consumption. This is the table which shows the nutrients in different organic manures such as animal refuse, cattle dung, as well as horse dung, poultry manure, sewage sludge, cattle urine, human urine, and this is the percentage of nitrogen, percentage of phosphorus and percentage of potassium in different type of the material. Farm-made manure, or commonly known as FYM, is a traditional manure and is mostly readily available to the farmers. It is decomposed mixture of cattle dung and urine with straw and litter used as bedding material and residues from the fodder fed to the cattle. Well-rotten farm-made manure contains nearly about 0.4 to 1.5% nitrogen, 0.3 to 0.9% phosphorus, and 0.3 to 1.9% potassium. Traditional method which is used by farmers is defective as they use only straw and cattle dung and not the cattle urine. Cattle urine is a valuable resource. Its chemical composition showed that it contains 1% nitrogen and 1.35% potassium. Dear friends, here we will discuss ideal and scientific method of preparation of farm-made manure. So let us study scientific process of farm-made manure preparation. First of all, we have to dig pit or trench. The measurement of the pit depends on the number of cattle and the amount of their dung. Ideal size of the pit or trench is 6 to 7 meter long, 1 to 1.5 meter wide and 1 meter deep. Dug the pit in a place where rainwater cannot get gathered. Ridges should be made around the pit. Farmers must have at least 2 to 3 pits so that if the first pit gets covered and it is full of the material, then farmer can use the second pit to fill up. Before filling, straw, waste fodder as well as remains of the crop is spread under the animals so that urine gets absorbed in it. When urine is absorbed in straw, the proportion of carbon and nitrogen, scientifically known as carbon-nitrogen ratio, also gets reduced and straw get rotten easier. Fill the pit with cattle dung, urine and straw. Farmers add this cattle waste every day. After filling it up to 1.5 feet high from the ground, the top of the heap is to be made dome shaped and plastered over the cow dung and earth slurry with 1.5 to 2 inch thickness. Due to this, the seeds of the farm waste will also be degraded and the dosage elements will be saved from the sunlight. All material in pit decomposes well by anaerobic method and well decomposed farmyard manure will be ready to apply after 3 to 4 months. By this process, we can make 5 to 6 tons or nearly about 10 to 12 cart loads of farmyard manure per year per head of the cattle. Partially rotten farmyard manure is to be applied 3 to 4 weeks before sowing, while well rotten manure can be applied immediately before sowing. Regarding dosage, generally FIM is applied at the rate of 10 to 20 ton per hectare to common crops, but more than 20 ton per hectare is applied to fodder, grasses and vegetables. Nutrients present in FIM are released slowly. About 30% of the nitrogen, 60 to 70% of the phosphorus and 70% of the potassium are available to the first crop, and remaining nutrients will be made available to the next crop. Now we will see the factors affecting nutrient quality of FIM. First factor, it is age of cattle. When cattle are in growing age, what they eat is utilized for the growth and milk production. But as the cattle get older, its dung has more nutrients, and so FIM prepared from the older animals is more nutrient rich. Then the second factor is the feed of animal. If animals are fed on nutrient rich fodder, subsequently excreta will contain more NPK and farmyard manure will be better in nutrients. Third factor, it is the nature of straw. If cereal straw and parts of leguminous plants are used for FIM, then FIM will have more nitrogen content. Dear friends, hope that you have understood the scientific procedure to prepare farmyard manure. These are the references. Thank you. In next video, we will study how to prepare compost.